Tell me about the move to a higher forecast. What has made you more confident?
I mean, the 2023 is going just awesome. When we started the year, we were still a little bit concerned about the supply situation. That eased up. It's still tense in the marketplace. Demand is extremely strong, especially for our great products all around the globe. And therefore, with great confidence, we were able to not just raise our forecast for 2023, but announce that massive share buyback program because we're really doing nice on the cash flow side as well.
Martin, what is the balancing act on how much you invest in new technology versus what gets earmarked for shareholders like that buyback-related news?
I mean, we have a very clear investment program going forward, both on the traditional products with a combustion engine, but more importantly on electric trucks as well as on hydrogen. We are convinced that we need both technology for an emission-free future. That means battery electric and hydrogen. We have clear investment plans for those. We're doing a lot with partnerships all around the globe, competitors, suppliers, to secure ourselves a good position as the world's leading truck manufacturer, and yet being successful, being very, very well financed. There is enough left to have our shareholders participate as well in that success.
Love that e-Actros blue there. Great big rig that we're showing here on screens, Martin. As you make a shift, which a lot of auto manufacturers have made as well, you're selling more of your high margin, heavy duty trucks in order to fund this transition to electric. What kind of margins do you see in the emissions-free business? How much money can you make on vehicles that are not powered by gas and diesel?
I mean, there is for me absolutely no reason that the margins on emission-free trucks should be lower than on combustion trucks, because you have to see there is a lot of investment necessary to have battery factories or fuel cell factories, and therefore I am not afraid at all of that transition. It's not a threat to our industry, it's rather a chance.
And Martin, when we initially saw the Daimler Truck spinoff, there was a theory that this was going to allow you to move faster. Is there anything you can point to happening with the business right now which would speak to your ability to navigate all this change at a faster pace?
Absolutely. We took an entire lever of corporate alignment out of the whole thing. And we, on the other side, decided on a structure where we run 5 independent businesses: Daimler Buses, Trucks North America, Trucks Europe, Trucks Asia, and Financial Services, with more freedom to them than before. So that in total speeded us up. And I can give numerous examples. Potentially the best example, unfortunately, last year when the Ukraine war started, it took us exactly 72 hours to seize our entire business in Russia with a full commitment from the entire board to that decision. Would have been impossible in a large conglomerate before, would have taken weeks. Here we were able in 72 hours. The same is now with investment decisions and so on. There's a lot of things going on in our company at record speed.
So I guess that will help to streamline the business as well. You've already had big moves with Fuso merging with Toyota's Hino. Is there anything else that we can expect in that area in terms of sales, for example, or big partnerships, JVs?
I mean, the next big step is certainly that we come up with a battery cell production, most likely in the United States. And stay tuned. I think that's a good opportunity for us to meet again and talk about that in the near future.